For this exercise, we're going to do a body scan where we bring awareness and breath to the different parts of our body. You can do this exercise seated or lying down, and it can be helpful to do right before you go to sleep if you want to lie down before starting it. But whatever posture you're in, just get comfortable. If you're seated, sit up tall with your hands in your lap and your feet flat on the floor. And take a moment to bring your awareness to your breathing. Just noticing how it feels to breathe in and breathe out. I'm not trying to change anything, just noticing what it's like to sit here and breathe. Now, bring your awareness to your feet. Just notice any sensations that come up or lack of sensation. There's no right or wrong, just noticing and not trying to change whatever it is. Maybe you notice a warmth or coolness, a tingling, or it could be very neutral. Just bringing awareness to your feet, and on your next inhale, take a breath, sending your breath down into your feet. And then when you exhale, you can watch the breath come back out from your feet. It can feel a little silly to try it at first, but just try it and see what it's like to breathe into your feet and then visualize breathing back out from your feet. And now moving to your lower legs, so your calves, your shins, your knees. And again, just noticing any sensations that come up. Sending a breath down into your legs. And then exhaling it back out. And when you exhale, notice if that area of your body can feel a little more relaxed or less tense as you exhale, kind of releasing some of the tension there if you feel any tension. And with your next inhale, send the breath into your upper legs, so your thighs, quads. Noticing that area and any sensations or feelings. Taking an inhale, sending the breath to your upper legs, and then an exhale, letting them relax. Now we'll focus on the middle of the body, so your hips and stomach. As you inhale, feeling your belly expand, filling that area with air. And then exhale, letting it flow out. Noticing any feelings in that area. And moving to the chest, upper back, and shoulders. And noticing any sensations there. And a lot of us hold tension in our shoulders. You might notice some tension there. Not trying to force it to change or go away. Just noticing what that feels like. And as you inhale, sending the air into your chest, into your shoulders. And as you exhale, letting that area relax. Maybe some of the tension goes away, maybe not. Just noticing what happens when you inhale, imagining the breath going there, and then exhale, watching it flow back out. Now bringing the focus to your arms. So your whole arm, your upper arm, bicep, tricep, your lower arm, your elbow, your hands, your fingers. Noticing any areas of tension or relaxation or numbness, any sensations at all. And as you inhale, imagine your arms and fingers, hands filling up with air. And as you exhale, watching the air flow out, noticing if those areas relax a little. Now we'll move our attention to the face and head and scalp and neck. Just noticing what comes up, where your attention goes while you're paying attention to that area of your body. And when you inhale, imagine the air flowing into your neck, and your face, your scalp. And exhaling out, releasing. And now take a breath. And as you inhale, imagine sending the air into all areas of your body. Feeling your body as a whole. And then as you exhale, just releasing, seeing if any parts of your body relax a little more. Take one more breath like that. Just inhaling, filling your body. And exhaling, releasing. And then when you're ready, you can open your eyes, come back to the room and your space, and just take a normal breath, just without the visualization, just noticing if it feels different from at the beginning, if it feels the same. Either way is fine, you're just noticing. Thank you for doing this exercise with me. Take care.